Welcome to everyone viewing from all over the world, those persons living in the United States of bedrooms, the kitchen islands, and a special welcome to anyone in the magical land of the bathroom. This is going to be a quarantine and chill type video. Also, I'm gonna have a bit of a tutorial vibe mixed in, so for those persons who want to learn something, hey, maybe this video is for you. I don't know. It's not gonna be really detailed, but it's still gonna be a tutorial to some degree. I'm gonna be showing you guys my process of drawing a male character because let's be honest, most of us just draw beautiful women for a living, and for that very reason, we pretty much lack the skills to draw a male. As you can see here, I kind of know what I'm doing, so I kind of can probably maybe sort of teach you something. Who knows? Obviously, the first thing you guys are going on to do, obviously, is find a reference, and don't tell me you're not using one. It's 2020, you should know better. References are good, they're not bad. References equal good. Okay? Just watch the video and hopefully you can learn something. The first thing I do is I draw a circle. Then afterwards I slice off the sides of the circle with two lines, obviously. Now if you notice, the lines aren't perfectly vertical, they're a bit diagonal. That's because his head isn't perfectly upright in the photo, so use your reference good. That's all I'm saying. Use your reference good. Afterwards I start to draw horizontal lines. Now these lines are where you're going to place the various features of the face. The distance between these two right here is the distance between the eyes and the nose. The last one is the chin. And there's going to be another one for the hairline. But for now, connect a line from here to the chin line. So where the circle and the slicing line interacts, if that makes sense. Yeah. This line up here is where the hairline is going to be. Along with the overall head shape, the features of the face are the things that distinguishes a male from a female. So I'm going to be breaking down the various features of the face, starting with the nose. The first thing I do whenever I'm drawing the nose is I draw a large triangle, followed by a smaller triangle below that that's upside down. Then I add a circle in the middle that's touching all the edges of the triangle. Afterwards, I draw these two semicircles at the side, then I find the nostrils. The nostrils are right where the triangles meet. That's where you would find the nostrils. Now, as you can see, whenever you've done that, you can just do your outline, and that's it for the nose. You've drawn a nose.